I think there's a sparrow, a pigeon trapped in this vehicle. So, bird trapped inside. I can't even, open this lock up. He or she is trapped inside. Bichara. On the hot baking sun. It's like, see, that pigeon is on oven, Oven. The pigeon is an oven. Oh, यस्तो फट्टा हुँदैन फट्टाले के हुन्छ हौ it's animal abuse one shouldn't live pets like this. If this is their pet, then they should take care of it, no? Or I don't know how this pigeon got in here, but I think the owner of this vehicle did it intentionally, did it lock this pigeon intentionally, Yeah, it's suffocating, Plus, look at the sun. It's baking hot, It's baking hot. Look at the poor pigeon. के तपाईको चरा भने त
फोन पनि रहेछ माका के गरे आउन अहिले तिम्रो फोन पनि उठाइन्छ म पर बोल्दै छु उस्तै केटाले फोन पनि उठाइन्छ केटाले आयो
It is very very selfish of human being, no? Being human doesn't mean they should treat animals like this,
सबै भिडियोहरु गरेको छ भाइ हो यनेर यो सबै भन्नु ल बोलाउन त
One shouldn't, lock up the animals like this, it's animal abuse. Accordingly to law, hey, it's an animal abuse, this pigeon is suffering. Literally, it's suffering, eh? So, I think one should release this pigeon or take care of it very nicely, One should free up this bird. This pigeon is suffocating inside. It's baking hot, and I think that is owner of the vehicle. Did it intentionally. यसरी अलिअलि चाहिँ उयो गरिदिनुस् ल भनेपछि he needed this pigeon for for a ritual purpose. I request him, हैन उयो गर्नु नि अलिअलि उयो गर्नु नि खिड्की चाहिँ कम्ती खोल्दिनुस् न
अर्को पनि देखाउनु त
This is like it comes under animal abuse under article 35, so thank God he's just a local boy. ल अलिअलि चाहिँ उयो गरिदिनुस् के अरे फर्स्ट अफ उयो हावा ल one shouldn't suffocate. हैन पूजाको लागि छोड्दिङ Okay, अलिअलि चाहिँ उयो गरिदिनुस् ल I thought this bird was put up here intentionally to suffocate, but he's saying it's for a ritual, so okay एकछिन ल एकछिन अलिकति क्लोज अप गर्छु नि भाग्छ नि यत्रो खोल्दिनु पर्छ सिसा हल्का उहाँ पर छोड्देऊ I think it's gonna छोड्देऊ